If you're trying to turn horizontal videos into vertical and your subject just keeps getting cut off, CapCut has a feature that fixes it automatically. And the crazy thing is, it tracks your subject and reframes the video for you with the click of a button. Now I'm going to show you how to do this on mobile and desktop. So diving into my phone, I have the video pulled up here that I shot specifically horizontally, so that way I can show you how to put it into vertical. Now I have done a video in the past of how to crop this yourself and do it. But the thing that the reframe does that just a regular crop doesn't is it has tracking in it as well. So like if I just did the aspect ratio and I just changed that, you're going to see, even though I fixed this, now I'd have to pinch and zoom in. Okay, if I pinch and zoom in on the clip, even with it being there, when I move, now I'm over there to the side. I'm out of frame. It doesn't stay with me. All it does is it tracks that one location, right? So this is where we're going to fix all of that, all right? You are going to slide over, okay? So you're going to click on the video. You're going to slide over until you see something that says Auto Reframe. You're going to click on the Auto Reframe. You're going to put it in what you want it to be as far as vertically. I'm going to put it in the TikTok one, the 916. And even at the bottom, it says camera moving speed, normal, fast, slow. I'm having it on normal. You can play with this. I recommend normal though, and just kind of leave it at that default. You're going to click on this, and right there, it's already showing you how it's going to reframe it. And you can see when I move, the screen moves with it. All right, so now I'm going to hit connect. Good. Now you can see on the side of me though, it's still in that horizontal. So all I have to do now that I fixed the reframe is go back to that aspect ratio, put it now into my 916, and now watch the video. We're going to test this and see, is it going to reframe me where I'm centered? I'm moving over here. Is it staying with me? I'm moving over here. Again, we're going to move back and forth, see if it tracks me. So now you can see it's automatically tracking me, and it put it into the vertical clip. So I took a whole horizontal, put it into vertical, and it tracks me and keeps me centered the entire time by the click of a button. Yeah, it's that easy. Now let me show you how to do it on desktop. So on desktop, it's going to be the same thing. It's just obviously on desktop, it's a little harder to locate. So I'm going to help you do that. So after you import your video, you're going to click on that clip. To the right under the basic tab, you are going to scroll down. This is where you have all those extra buttons, especially all the AI stuff. So you can see like AI remove, remix, all that. You're going to go to Auto Reframe. You're going to click on this. This is where you have to do some changes. All right, so right here to aspect ratio, instead of original, it's not going to do anything. You got to switch it to what you want it to be. If you look to the right, it also kind of shows you what the layout looks like. Again, if you're doing vertical, it's always a 916. Horizontal would be a 16:9, so it's just flipped. So I'm going to click on that. You can see it's going to do the same thing. It's going to track along. All right, so I'm going to hit apply. After I hit apply, the last thing I need to do is change my entire ratio on this so I don't have that black screen on the sides. So I'm going to go right here to the aspect ratio, click on it. Again, go to 916. Now we have it, and you can see again, this is what it looks like. Now, if we wanted to slow that down, okay, so I can go here. Maybe I want to slower, a little bit slower. I'm going to hit apply just so you guys can see what it looks like. It's a little bit slower, a little bit delayed of a side to side, but still does the job. I like it normal because I think it stays with me, and it kind of looks like someone's moving the camera side to side with me. But the crazy thing is, guys, I just did this again, mobile, desktop. You watched me do this. I clicked a button. Right, I clicked this auto reframe. That's all I did. So if you're ever in a boat where you did horizontally by accident and you forgot to put it in vertical, or you have a horizontal clip you want to use, but you don't know how to put it in vertical to where it looks good, this is an easy way to auto reframe it. And I highly recommend that you use this feature. Now, CapCut has been advancing so much, and there's so many AI features that is on there. And right now, I am covering all of these on how they work and how you can use them for your videos. One of the best ones that everyone's been raving about is the AI Clipper tool. This is currently free at the time of recording this, and it takes any long form video and it'll put it in the best clips possible for whatever length you want it, and it will let you edit it inside of it. Super easy, probably one of the best clipper tools I've seen. And again, it's all in CapCut and it is currently free right now. I actually shot a whole video on how to use that. If you guys want to see it, you can go ahead and check it out here, and I'll see you there.